Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to change picture zoom on your Hyundai TV. So first we need to go over to the settings, and now in those settings we need to go to picture, and right here we have the picture zoom. We can change it by clicking on the 16.9, and here we should be able to change that. So that's basically it. As you guys can see, we can change it to 4:3, and there should be a difference, but I don't think there is one right now. So basically here you guys can change it, and that'd be it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.